In this video, I'm going to demonstrate downloading, building and running an example on an XCORE.AI evaluation kit using the XMOS XTC Tools VS Code extension. To start, open the XMOS side panel and press Download Example Application. This will present a list of examples which can be used with the XTC Tools extension. We're going to use the Making an LED Glow one today. Find a location to download the example to. If you're on Windows, I suggest using a short path so you don't run into path length issues. And once it's downloaded, you should see a fresh environment open. If you get asked whether you trust the authors of this folder, say yes. You'll be presented with the opened example application note. And if you browse to the source, you can see that this example is going to glow an LED on the board in a few different ways and also print some output to the terminal. So to build the application, we should once again open the XMOS side tab and press Build. You'll see the build output presented in the terminal at the bottom of the screen. And when it's done, it will say Process completed successfully. At this point, you should have the XCORE.AI evaluation kit plugged into your computer. You should see it listed in the Devices view down here. If you don't, press Refresh. You can select the device to use by clicking on it, and then when you wish to run the application, press Run. You should now see the LED on the device is glowing in different ways, and you can see the terminal output from the application at the bottom of the screen. This application does terminate, so you can eventually see XCORE application completed successfully printed in the terminal. You can iterate, modifying the code, building again, and running on the device to continue your development process.